this? इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है ना अभी. TikTok sensation. Bought this book ना. I was like, ah, कुछ तो missing है. Like मुझे कुछ तो याद नहीं आ रहा इस. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tamanna, and this is the second part of my book talk video. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आप लोग को ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे बुक्स दिखा दिए थे. बस इस वीडियो में कुछ एम्बैरेसिंग बुक्स है, लाइक अ फ्यू बुक्स दैट बिलोंग टू माय पास्ट सेल्फ. वैसे वाले बुक्स हैं, एंड आल्सो सम ऑफ देम व्हिच आई हैव रेड just like a few months back or a few years back. Yeah, वैसे वाले. So these are all the books that I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, let's start from Sydney Sheldon only, क्योंकि लास्ट उसमें भी मैंने आप लोग को बोला था कि I have so many Sydney Sheldons. After the Tomorrow series by Sydney Sheldon, The Phoenix is my favorite one, guys. I still remember I was so thrilled reading this. Like, this is one of my favorite books of Sydney Sheldon after the Tomorrow series. I wanted to read the second part so bad. I loved this book. This was the last Sydney Sheldon book that I bought for myself. And ये है. And then, okay, so me and my friend, we went to a bookstore once, and as I said, the sunlight is so good, no? I mean, the lines, they're a bit annoying, but the sunlight is so good. Damn, I'm glowing. I have nothing on my face. I'm glowing. Anyways, so me and my friend, we went to a bookstore, and then we wanted to buy a book again. That's very normal of me and my friends. And we wanted to buy the same book, and so we bought this Night Circus. ठीक है. Now मुझे लगा था ये बहुत फेमस बुक है. ठीक है, मुझे पता नहीं था इस बुक के बारे में, थोड़ा सा भी नहीं पता था. And I thought this is a very famous book and I should get it, so I bought it. पर मुझे ना इसको पढ़ के इतना भी मज़ा नहीं है. I mean, it's a very nice book. ये भी thriller type से था, all right. I really liked all the plots here and everything. I liked everything, in fact, in here. But like, I was not so excited. Again, I'm not that much into thriller and all, right? So that's why, oh my god, this is so dirty. You saw that, right? And I took the longest time to finish this book, but I don't hate it. I liked it. I would rate it like a 6 on 10. If you have read this book, do comment down below your thoughts. Like, what do you feel about this book? Okay, after I Want to Eat My Pancreas, this would be my next favorite manga. And again, इसका ना मेरे पास सिर्फ first वाला ही है. But I laughed so much. Someone tore this. And I know I've seen this पहले, and मुझे अपनी मम्मी से इसके बारे में पूछना था, and मुझे अब भी याद आ रहा है. मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है ना अभी. I mean, this is a manga. It costs so much, and किसी ने बस फाड़ दिया. मुझे रोना आ रहा है. Anyways, let's not get there. Anyways, this is my second favorite manga, Wotakoi. Loved reading it. I also have A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Yay! So this one was gifted to me by one of my friends, and I loved it. But उसके बाद I was very skeptical if I want to buy इसके second and third वाला, but I did buy it. I did not buy the last one. वही मैं सोच रही थी. I was so confused because I have Good Girl Bad Blood also, right? But I was thinking कि last वाला है या नहीं, मेरे पास है या नहीं. I don't have it. That's why I feel so, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था ना कि कुछ तो मिसिंग है. लाइक मुझे कुछ तो याद नहीं आ रहा इसमें. इसका फिनिशिंग, इसका एंडिंग क्या था, मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं आ रहा था. अभी मुझे पता चला. आई स्टिल हैवंट रेड द थर्ड वन, ब्रो. आई नीड टू बाय इट. Anyways, love the series, love the movie. Yep, this is that. Then I have, did I show you guys It Ends With Us? I think it's with my sister. But anyways, I have It Starts With Us. Yeah, that's it. And uske baad, I also have The Love Hypothesis, Ellie Hazelwood. I was watching a book talk video and उसमें ये recommend हुआ था, तो उसके बाद मैंने ये book खरीदा, and I love this book actually. TikTok sensation, yeah. I wanted to buy more of her books, but I did not buy. I found my favorite one in Emily Henry. Guys, again, I was in the airport, all right, and I wanted to buy a book again. Nothing new. Yay! She buys book every time she goes to a bookstore and she goes to an airport. She will buy book. Standing in front of the bookshelf, and I'm like, what should I buy? What should I buy? What should I buy? फिर मैं गई online. फिर मैंने search किया नेक्स्ट बुक टू बाय, ऐसा कुछ कुछ सर्च किया मैंने. फिर उसमें ये आया, गर्ल गॉडेस क्वीन. आई लव दिस बुक. इट्स वेरी शीक. इट्स, देखो हाइट भी लंबा है. इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी मोटा. ठीक है, पहले ना मैं बस पतले पतले बुक्स पढ़ती थी, पर तो मुझे ना थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि अब मोटे बुक्स पढ़ने चाहिए. लाइक यू नो, आई वॉन्ट टू रीड ऐसे फैट फैट बुक्स to look bookish. Okay, so when I bought this book, I was like, like my book wala thing would be ऐसा लंबा वाला height, and then I like mota books. ठीक है, something about them that I really like. I don't know if you guys feel the same or not, but yeah. So I bought this book, Girl Goddess Queen. Now I would rate it a 6 on 10. Honestly, I loved reading this book. ठीक है, but like it had a lot of mixed reviews online. Everyone did not like it. Some of them really liked it and some of them did not like it. Like, it did not have the spice. Like, it's a nice book, it's very easy to read, very fun to read, but it does not have that much of spice. Yeah, I rated a 6.5 on 10. Though I love these books, you know, pink and everything, girl goddess queen. Let's talk about some of my embarrassing books that I bought as a child. Not that I bought them, but also I was gifted these. So जब हमारे स्कूल में scholastic होता था ना, we used to have like a lot of Indian authors as well, all right. And उस टाइम में तो हमें कुछ नहीं पता था. I think I was in 6, 7, 8 middle school. And उस टाइम में जो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था, and I was not reading English novels as well. So बहुत सारे लोग ना ऐसे Indian authors वाले book लेते थे. So we had Durjoy Datta and we had Sudip Nagarkar. तो मैंने सुदीप नगरकर का यू आर ट्रेंडिंग इन माई ड्रीम्स लिया था, ऑल राइट. एंड मैंने पढ़ा एंड आई वाज रीडिंग एंड आई थिंक आई हैड लाइक 2 सुदीप नगरकर बुक्स. एंड दूसरा वाला पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. एंड देन वन ऑफ माई जूनियर्स, शी गिफ्टेड मी 2 मोर ऑफ सुदीप नगरकर. नाउ आई हैव नेवर रेड दीज. अब देखो, मैंने ना इसमें भी, मैं तब बच्ची थी ना, तो मैंने पूरा सेलोटेप ये सब लगाया है, पर मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ा ये सब. इवन होल्ड माई हैंड, I think, I mean, a lot of people like Durjoy Datta, and not saying that Durjoy Datta is a bad writer or anything, nor Sudeep Nagarkar is a bad writer, but like मुझे थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगा था. And yeah, तो but then Hold My Hand, I think मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया था. But anyways, like I had 4 of Sudeep Nagarkar's book. I read 2 because 2 of them I bought myself, and 2 of them were gifted to me by one of my juniors, and I never read those. But yeah, these are all the books that I wanted to show you guys. Now, if I have to recommend you guys something from this video, then I would recommend actually Sidney Sheldon's The Phoenix. I love this book. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. And I would also recommend, if you want to read manga and all, I'm sure everyone who watches anime and manga, I'm sure they've read Wotakoi, no doubt. So I also, if you have not and if you want to start, then Wotakoi is also a very nice manga that you can read. Or yeah, The Love Hypothesis is also a good book you can read. I'm sure everyone's read it, but again, if you're someone who's not who hasn't read it, that you should definitely read The Love Hypothesis. And I also like this series. I don't hate it, again, as I said, 8 on 10. But yeah, I would recommend these as well. Anyways, that is all for this video. I am ending this video with that, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, comment down below if you guys read a few books that I have recommended to you guys. Okay, bye. And इस वीडियो में I will be showing I मतलब लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोग को बहुत सारे बुक्स दिखा दिए थे किताब से. हाँ, सॉरी, रीडू.